Good day, my name is Hema, son of Murugan. My matrix number is S48821. My supervisor is Dr. Ivan Ko Chong Chu, and this is my final year project video presentation entitled Sperm Cryopreservation of Grouper Species, a Review. For the introduction, let me introduce my target species, groupers. Why groupers? 1. High demand for the grouper sperm. 2. Problem with the quality of seeds. 3. Disease outbreaks. Number 4. And various constraints. Cryopreservation is a process to preserve cells by cooling the samples to their cryogenic temperature. Cryopreservation provides various benefits as mentioned here. Cryoprotectant is an important element in cryopreservation that prevents cell crystallization at low temperature. Significant study of the review is enable reference addition and support information regarding sperm cryopreservation of groupers. The objective of my review is to evaluate the factors affecting grouper sperm cryopreservation and to identify the impact of those factors towards the aquaculture industry. For the methodology, first, all the journals regarding grouper sperm cryopreservation is gathered, and number 2, the data extracted from the journals, and 3, the extracted data tabulated and compared and finally analyzed. As results, there were totally 10 different species of groupers were involved with the sperm cryopreservation studies. The table shows the list of species, the list of authors, and the combination of cryoprotectant and extender used in grouper sperm cryopreservation. DMSO is the most used cryoprotectant, and NaCl is the sodium chloride is the most used extender. And it is also noted that there is no extender used in Ephenephilus mora sperm cryopreservation. For cooling rates, it is reported that different cooling rates seems optimal for different grouper species, and for dilution ratio, both high dilution ratio and low dilution ratio were optimal for different grouper species on different cases. For the post-thaw motility rate, all different grouper species were reported high post-thaw motility rates except Ephenephilus marginatus was reported low post-thaw motility rate of approximately of 36%. Discussion. Species. Due to reducing number of grouper captures in the wild, nearly 10 different grouper species were studied regarding sperm cryopreservation. The reason behind initial grouper sperm cryopreservation is in 1993 is because the limited male of Ephenephilus malabaricus at Taiwan in 1993, and due to the rapid growth ability of Ephenephilus lanceolatus, the species was studied the most regarding the sperm cryopreservation. Discussion. Cryoprotectant. Dimethyl sulfoxide DMSO works best and was suggested for 6 different grouper species. Apart from groupers, DMSO works better for red snapper and Japanese sea bass. Although reports reported that DMSO provide better cell protection, it could be toxic at higher concentration. Besides DMSO, Trehalus is another cryoprotectant that enables maximum post-thaw motility rate in Ephenephilus coyoides sperm cryopreservation. However, it is expensive than DMSO. For the extender, sodium chloride NaCl is the most used extender, and this is because the availability of the solution, the relative effectiveness of the solution as the extender, and it is also easy to prepare the solution at anywhere. Discussion. Cooling rate. Cooling rate varied between different grouper species. Similarly, reports stated that low cooling rate is optimal for stripped catfish, while high cooling rate is optimal for stripped bass. Hence, optimal cooling rate is species specific, as the cooling rate influenced by cryoprotectant type and concentration, and also the fish species. Dilution ratio. It is observed that both high and low dilution ratio present in the results. Apart from the groupers, other fish species have different optimal dilution ratio that varied with the species. Hence, it is proof that dilution ratio is species specific for marine groupers. As the conclusion, the grouper sperm cryopreservation is species specific, as the optimization has to be done species by species in order to increase the overall productivity of the groupers.